Hi, my name is Stephanie Baldwin, and today I'm going to be discussing with you education for women is the future of Pakistan. Lack Hi, my name is Stephanie Baldwin, and I will be presenting to you today on education for women is the future of Pakistan. There's a lot of problems facing Pakistan today, and the lack of education is contributing to most of them. There's a high infant mortality rate that's due to lack of knowledge on cleanliness in the birthing room and proper cutting of the umbilical cord. The war on terrorism could be fought by proper education at home on their religious views and more opportunities for poor people to have education outside of um, the the madras that are radical and teach teach suicide bombing and not enough education and more ideas about war. Pakistan also has one of the lowest, it has the lowest literacy rate in the world, with its female rate being lower than its male rate because they do not, women are not encouraged to get educations. There's a lack of opportunity to improve your family situation, especially for women, because they don't have the job opportunities due to their lack of education. A high portion of the women in Pakistan are not literate. So, would educating women really help Pakistan's future? The women could teach the peaceful teachings of the Quran at home. They would be able to read it to their children. They'd be able to show them that that jihad is not the way. It's not what the Quran teaches. They would be able to learn more of the peaceful teachings and the teachings of forgiveness. Um, it would give them opportunities to teach their children in the home so they wouldn't be forced to send them to Mahadras for education. If they were poor, like they would be able, if they at least could read and write, they could at least teach that at home. Um, this would open their world to a lot of possibilities with education, with just a little bit of education they would be able to do so much more in their communities. They would be able to, I mean, just with basic math, you could like farm and make money for yourself. Um, so in this slide, we can see the literacy rate for Pakistan is growing. They're becoming more educated. In the 1990s, there was kind of a backward slide where more college women were wearing their burqas on campus. Before, it wasn't seen as much, but because of the 1980s and the rising of the Taliban, more women are wearing the more traditional burqas on campus. I feel that affects the women's education because they feel more, I feel like it makes them feel more confined in their options. We need more women to have more educational opportunities. Malala is one of the faces of the future of Pakistan. There will not be the development that the country wants or needs without more women like Malala stepping forward and taking charge of their education. It's important for women to be educated educated so they can teach their children, and educate them and show them that violence is not the way, education is the way. With more education, you have more opportunities. And women are the force behind this. We need for Pakistan to have a future, they need to educate their women so that they can help their communities to solve some of the problems that are facing the future of Pakistan.